हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कानाजी बॉय। तो आज हम ग्रेट ब्रिटेन में आ चुके हैं। ये सर हैं, ये सभी को देते हैं गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की। सो यानी मैं पहले भी इंटरव्यू ले चुका हूँ सर से, आज थोड़ा अपर साइड का सर का इंटरव्यू होगा। तो फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क अबाउट योर सेल्फ, प्लीज डू।
Okay, thank you, Mr. Puspender, for taking an interview in my institute, Great Britain. So, if I talk about myself, my name is Saddam, and basically I am from Chibramu, and I have been running my institute since 2011. I can say that I have 10-year experience of teaching, and many more students, they just passed out from my institute, and after completing the course, they are doing job in various kind of sub companies. Many of them are selected in NDA and Air Force Defense Services. That's all, sir.
Can I ask the question from you?
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Suppose that I give the condition you will have to leave this country, India,
Okay.
and you have only two option is available. You can go the Pakistan and you can go the China. So that time what would you do and why?
Okay, sir. Mainly, I will prefer to China because, sir, China is a developed country. From the China, we will learn many more technology, and this type of technology will help for a country. But if we talk about the Pakistan, Pakistan is not as much as developed country as China, and Pakistan is mainly famous for the terrorist country. It is blacklisted country, but China is a so developed and high technical country. I think so. From the China, our India is also, highest business partnership from the China. So China is much better than Pakistan. I will choose China.
Okay, I give the second condition.
Okay.
Suppose that you have selected in IS job.
Okay.
And you are posting in Chibramu, your state. So that time, what would you do first work on our city?
Okay. If I would be a DM or district magistrate, and I was posted in Chibramu, so first of all I would like to change the system by which the Chibramu is running, and many more changes. Firstly, I would see the condition of the schools. The conditions are going well, teachings are going well in the schools or not. I will improve the education system for the Chibramu, as well as I will change for the Chibramu, whatever is the welfare for the Chibramu, like a parking system will be in, and hospital services will be good in Chibramu, and also the law system and police department should be active for the Chibramu peoples. All this type of changement I would like to do for the Chibramu people.
What's the difference between ISC board and CBSC board and UP board?
Actually, sir, UP board is only for the state level, like UP Uttar Pradesh board. Same way, Bihar board is there. Every state have their own board. But CBSC board or ICSC board, if we talk about the CBSC was established in 1962. CBSC board, the full form of CBSC board is Central Board for Secondary Education. It is not for only for the particular state, it is for all states. In India, in every English medium school, if we talk about that, so CBSC board is running over there. So it is for the central level, and UP board is only for the state level.
Right now I am facing the problems, corruption is going on, as well as COVID-19 is going on.
Yeah.
So suppose that all the candidates of Chibramu have got spread the COVID-19 except you. So that time what would you do our society, our city?
Okay, if this type of circumstances created in our state or town, so mainly first step I will do that I will protect myself. I will escape from all these type of people, and I will go to near state, near town which is very near to the Chibramu, where all the people are very safe and clean. So I will take the help from the other state which will help to my state and help the people of Chibramu. where I am situated.
Do you have any idea what's the vaccination?
Vaccination is, vaccination means to immune the power system of people, to boost up the power system of the people for the, like in COVID time, the many people are infected from that. So by the vaccination, we can, we can get the immune power, we can get the power to protect from that such type of various kind of virus. So vaccination is very helpful to immune the power of body.
Mask is necessary.
Definitely, sir. Mask is very necessary.
Okay.
Not only for the COVID, it will help whether we are going in the market time period, the pollution, dust particle are going in our body, which will infect our body parts. So if you use that mask, definitely it will help you from many other kind of diseases like dust pollution, air pollution.
So tell me about your hobbies, sir.
Yeah, actually, my hobbies, as far as my hobbies are concerned, simply I like reading motivational books and visiting historical places, making new friends, having the touch with the social medias. That's all my hobbies.
Which type motivation do you read?
Yeah, actually, my ideal is APJ Abdul Kalam, a former Prime President of India. And I'm very inspired from that. So the Wings of Fire I read, and it totally changed my mentality. What I was thinking before that, after reading that book, I was totally changed in myself. And whenever I get frustrated, so I remind my all the views what I read in that book. So it's very inspirational book for everyone. And I also suggested to everyone that we should read the Wings of Fire, which will help you really for the student lives.
Tell me 3 characteristics of APJ Abdul Kalam.
Actually, APJ Abdul Kalam, he in childhood life he having the keen desire to become a pilot, but in first attempt he was disqualified, and after that he became a missile man of India. So he is known as a missile man of India, and he after that later on he became a president of a country. So I inspired that he got many troubles in his life, even though he never lose his confidence level, and he became the president. So I was very inspired from these type of things which was having in the APJ Abdul Kalam.
Can I ask more question?
Yeah, definitely you can ask, sir.
Okay. Right now I am facing the problems. Most of people is taking the dowry. So dowry is good or not?
Sir, as for your kind information, I would like to tell you that dowry is a system. It is made by the community. This custom is made by the society. But the government tried a lot to stop the dowry. Government also made the rules for the dowry system. If anybody is asking for the dowry, then we can go in the police, or we can take the help of law, which will help to stop the dowry. Even though people are not following all these type of rules and regulations. So dowry is very bad thing, sir. The people should, when the people will be educated, then automatically dowry will be stopped. When people will have knowledge about that a man, he is giving his daughter and he is giving each and everything, then we should not ask for the dowry. You know, sir, a girl, he is giving his daughter, and even though we are asking for the money, this is a bad thing. If any person is giving as a gift to her daughter, then it is good. We should not ask from our side that I want this amount, this amount. This is a very bad thing and very shameful things. In our country, this is, in our India mainly it is running. But in foreign countries, there is no dowry system. We should follow the Western culture. Especially in dowry system, we should follow the Western culture. In Western culture, nobody asks for the dowry. If we like each other, they just get married to the parents' agreement. That's all.
Okay. So, what is the difference between yoga and gym? Which one is good?
Yeah, sir. Actually, yoga is more beneficial than gym, because when we do the yoga, then by yoga your body purified, your concentrate level increased, your mind sharpness increased. It clean our internal part of body. But if we talk about the gymming, Gymming is only the physical beauty. It will increase your physical beauty, not your immune system. By gym you can improve your body parts structure, body shape, but by yoga whole body will be increased. Even our spiritual beauty, we can increase our spiritual beauty, you know. By yoga we can improve our spiritual beauty, but by the gymming we cannot improve our spiritual beauty. And I think so spiritual beauty is more, you know, much more beautiful than our body parts. So yoga is the best, I think so. According to my point of view, yoga is the best.
According to you.
Yep. Okay sir, thank you for asking. This is a nice question, sir, and I'm very happy that you are asking to me in questions. And I would like to ask some question about regarding you. Okay, so first of all, you tell me something about yourself.
My name is Pushpendra. I have recently passed out the 12th class. Right now I am pursuing the BSc as well as I am doing the English speaking course, Institute of Great Britain, and as well as I am preparing the NDA.
Okay, well, so you have joined the Great Britain Institute. So can you tell something about the Great Britain? What type of this institute is?
Okay, I would like to talk about Great Britain. So Great Britain Institute, it is situated in Chibram.
Okay.
It is a most comprehensive institute. It is provide a lot of things. It is provide good communication skills.
Okay.
Not only provide the good communication skill, but also provide the body language and a lot of things.
Okay. So you got improvement in your spoken, in your speaking after joining that?
When I was joined the Great Britain, so that time I couldn't speak well.
Okay.
But right now I am able to speak English in front of any particular person.
Okay, Mr. Pushpendra, you are also preparing for the defense services, like as you told me, NDA you are going for that.
Yes, yes.
So what is the full form of NDA?
National Defense Academy.
Okay, from where you got this type of inspiration that you want to go in the NDA?
My friend Utkarsh said to me, you want to go the NDA.
You should go in NDA. Okay, so that's good, I think so. So Pushpendra, I want to know from you that what is the importance of English language in our common student life? In student life, we can say.
English is very necessary for our life. Suppose that you have a lot of experience English language, so you can easily survive our country. You can easily join private sector.
Okay.
And also government sector.
Okay.
And you can easily crack any examination like NDA.
Okay, well friends, you can see now that Mr. Pushpendra is speaking in English in front of you, and he has in very short time period he learned spoken classes, and he joined the Great Britain Institute, and now he can also speak in English, and it's very impressive language. You know that English, if you know the English language, then definitely we got impressions on the peoples, on the others, and we makes ourselves different from the others. So I also suggested you all viewers that please come in institute and learn how to express your views in English, and I promise you that within 3 months you will start speaking English. So thank you very much, most welcome in Great Britain, and thank you.
अगर वीडियो मेरी अच्छी लगे तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें तथा मुझे लाइक करें। अगर आप भी ये इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो बाकी की जानकारी मैं लिंक के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, वहाँ से आप कांटेक्ट करके सर से बात कर सकते हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय,
थैंक यू।